Okay, students, now we're going to go through what you all did last week, which is revision 1, pages 180 to 184. Okay, question 21. Joyce paid $96 for 3 similar skirts. That means they're all the same price, okay? They're the same price. Catherine paid $222 for 3 of the same skirts and 3 similar blouses. Okay, how much did a blouse cost? Okay, now look at this. There are really two parts to this question. Now take note that over here the 3 skirts are the same. Okay, so I think that is easier to split the first part of the question into just skirts and blouses. Okay, I'm going to draw a model. Okay, so let's look at what Catherine bought. Catherine paid for 3 skirts. Okay, sorry, it should be skirts. She paid for 3 skirts, 3 blouses. Okay, and Joyce paid for 3 skirts. Okay, so this is Joyce, this is Catherine. Okay, Catherine paid $222. Joyce paid $96. Okay, so this is a comparison model with 2 variables, and you got to find the difference. Okay, so you got to find this one first. This is the first part. Okay, so for this one, I'll take just 222 minus 96, and when you work it out, you get $126. You have to work it out yourself. Okay, so this is the first part. Now, how much did the blouse cost? Okay, so 3 blouses cost $126. Okay, so this B, say 1B, 1B, 1B. Okay, so this is 126. Okay, so you want to find how much is 1. Okay, so 3B equals to $126. 1B equals to 126 divided by 3, which is $42. Okay, so one blouse costs $42. Now you got to work it out yourself. I'm using mental sum here. Okay, question number 22. Joey saved $409. John saved $583. They donated all their savings equally into 4 groups. Okay, how much money did each charity group receive from them? So each charity, how much money? Okay, okay. So again, there are 2 parts to this question. First, the first part is to find out how much is all their savings worth. Okay, so that means you gotta take 409 plus 583. Okay, and if you work it out, you realize that you have $992. Okay, this part is quite straightforward. You have to find the total. Now you got to split this 992 into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to draw a model for this one. This is the unitary method. Okay, here there are $992. Okay, this is one charity group, one charity group, one charity group, one charity group. So 4 charity groups is $992. So one charity group equals to 992 divided by 4. And if you do the working, and you must do the working, you should be able to get $248 for each charity group. Okay, next question. Aunt Sarah baked 264 cookies on Monday. She baked twice as many cookies on Tuesday. Okay, so this one, before I even read the rest of the question, I will start to draw a model already. Okay, so I'll draw the longer bar on top as always, and the shorter bar below. This is just my preference, it's up to you. Okay, Monday, 264. Tuesday, twice. Okay, so this one is 264, 264. Okay, so they're asking part A, and then this part B. Okay, so once you draw the model, actually you realize it's quite straightforward. For part A is 264 plus 264, or you can just take 264 times 2. Both will give you the same answer, which is 528 cookies. So this is part A. Now part B, you just have to take 528 plus 264 and you get 792 cookies. Okay, so again, if you get part A wrong, you will get part B wrong also. Okay, Uncle Yusuf had 8 baskets of 125 tomatoes each. Okay, so again, each basket has got 125 tomatoes, like a grouping concept again. He threw away, that means minus, 99 of them that were rotten. How many tomatoes did he have left? Again, there are two parts to this question. First line, you have to draw the model first. Okay, I'll draw 8 equal parts. Okay, so this is 125. There are 8 units in total. Okay, so 1 unit equals to 125. So 8 units equals 125 multiplied by 8. So if you work it out, you will get 1,000 tomatoes. Okay, altogether. Now, out of this 1,000, he threw away 99. So he should have 901 tomatoes left. Okay? Now, for the final question, is a star on it. That means it's not easy, but we'll work it out together. Okay, 3 identical diaries cost $45. That means each of them have the same cost. Okay? A diary costs 3 times as much as a file. How much does a file cost? Okay, so first we got to find out how much one diary costs. Okay, so we have to draw separate models here. Okay, so 3 diaries. I'm going to label it with a D. 1D, 1D, 1D. This is a diary. They cost $45 in total. How much is one? Okay, so in this case, 3D equals to $45. You have to follow the way I'm doing it. 1D equals to 45 divided by 3, and you get $15 for one diary. Now, $15 for one diary. Now, a diary, and another model you got to draw. A diary costs 3 times as much as a file. So over here, this is a diary. Okay, look at how I'm using my look at how I'm using my labeling. This is 1D, 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 small d. Now this is a big D, but they are the same letter. They're referring to the same thing. If you put 1U, 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 and 1U, 1U, 1U here, you'll be very confused later on. So use the letters that are associated with the item that you're talking about. Okay, so now they're asking you how much does a file cost. Okay, so that is easier. D represents a diary, F represents a file. So this is 1F, 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 and this is also 1F. Okay, so 3F equals to 15. You see, it's easier like that. So 1F equals to 15 divided by 3, which is $5. So one file costs $5. Okay, please do your corrections and thank you very much.